Washington State Patrol in Wenatchee is looking for a child who was last seen at 8254 Road East Southwest, Royal City, Washington, and is believed to be a native. The child's name is Monica.
Huh, didn't activate.
She is a 16-year-old black female with brown hair and brown eyes. She is believed to be 5 feet and 7
Not
inches
working.
tall, weighing 140 pounds. Authorities say that the child may be in the company of Miles Moncada. He is a 22-year-old white male with brown hair and brown eyes. He is believed to be 6 feet and 1 inch tall, weighing 165 pounds.
It was
They
on
may be
tone,
traveling
that
in a
one.
2010 yellow Ford Focus vehicle with California license plate number 7AM-E520. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact 509-682-8090 immediately.